Are you brave enough to admit that you don't have all the answers? Most managers aren't. Today, we're going to challenge the ego-driven culture of leadership. We're going to discover why asking for help might just be the smartest, maybe even controversial move that you can make as a leader. Welcome to the channel, Leadership with Mike. On this channel, I help you become a more confident leader, and I do this with no nonsense sense, if that makes any sense. Today, we're debunking the major myth in the corporate world that asking for help is a sign of weakness. In reality, it is quite the opposite. It can actually amplify your credibility, enhance team dynamics, and lead to better overall outcomes. Embracing vulnerability isn't just about showing your weaknesses. It's about demonstrating your confidence in your ability to handle challenges and your openness to grow. For leaders, for managers, admitting that you don't have all the answers can actually strengthen your credibility and foster a more transparent, trusting environment. Vulnerability allows leaders to connect more authentically with their teams, encouraging more of a two-way street in terms of communication and feedback. It breaks down barriers and eliminates the us management versus them employees mentality, making you more approachable and more relatable. When you as a leader are open about challenges, it sets the precedent for the team. It shows that it's safe to speak up, share ideas, and to admit mistakes. This can lead to a more innovative, engaged, and cooperative team culture. Leaders who practice vulnerability, you will often see improved team performance, as members feel supported and valued. This can lead to higher job satisfaction, lower turnover, and overall team results. But how do we start? Start small by sharing your own learning experiences or times when you sought out help. Encourage your team to do the same and actively listen and respond to their contributions. Over time, not by tomorrow, but over time, this can help you build a stronger, more cohesive team that's equipped to tackle any challenge together. Asking for help isn't just about filling gaps with your own knowledge. It's a strategic approach to decision making that leverages diverse perspectives. When we as leaders open ourselves up to input from others, we gain insights that can lead to more informed and more effective decisions. Involving others in the decision-making process can prevent biases and blind spots that we as individual people, as individual leaders, probably have. It also democratizes the process, giving a voice to team members who otherwise they might feel sidelined. This inclusive approach not only improves the quality of decisions, but also boosts morale and engagement among your team members. They're going to feel valued and more likely to be committed to the execution of decisions that they helped shape. Leaders who consistently seek input and collaborate on decision making are more likely to foster a culture of trust and innovation. And this is going to lead to sustained organizational success and adaptability in a changing business environment. How do we make this one work? Create structured opportunities for team input on key decisions. This could be through regular brainstorming sessions, strategy meetings, or even just informal discussions. Ensure that all the voices are heard and considered. Doesn't mean you have to make the decision based off of that, but people want to be considered. And make sure we're being transparent about how decisions are made. This openness not only enhances decision making, but also builds stronger, more cohesive teams. Now, right now, I need to put my own words into action today by asking for your help. See, I've shared numerous leadership strategies over the course of the last couple of years, and I've currently been applying these same principles to my own new career. This journey of mutual growth has helped lead me to a new role as the head of strategy for an amazing AI company called OneClick. Now, I'm excited to share that OneClick has launched on Product Hunt, but I need your help to escalate its impact. If my content has ever sparked insight or helped you personally or professionally, I'm asking, I'm not begging, I won't do that, but I'm asking for your support on giving one click and upvote on Product Hunt. Here's how you can help. Click on the link either at the top of the description or the pinned comment below. Go to the one-click project directly on Product Hunt. Okay, you got to create an account. It sucks, but it is what it is. But if you could just take a moment, create an account, hit the upvote button, it's really going to make a huge difference. This helps OneClick spread its message of helping creators, helping individuals, helping businesses create better content for their audiences. Every upvote helps out a lot. I really do thank you for your support, and I thank you for contributing to this, what I would call a critical phase of my own personal journey, my own personal career. Anywho, leaders who ask for help demonstrate humility and accessibility, qualities that are essential for building strong, collaborative team cultures. This openness, it not only humanizes us as leaders, but it encourages a more supportive and inclusive work environment. By showing our vulnerability, we can dismantle the notion that we are perfect. I know, some of us, me, you, we're perfect, but we don't want people to think that we can't make mistakes. This is going to significantly reduce the pressure on team members to be perfect themselves. This is going to foster a more relaxed and creative workplace. When we as leaders model the behavior of seeking assistance, it normalizes the practice within the team, which is going to lead, again, to a more collaborative environment where team members feel safe to express their ideas and to ask for help when they need it. All of this without a fear of judgment. Now, cultivating this kind of culture, it not only improves the team dynamic, but it also attracts and it retains top talent. Employees are more likely to stay with an organization where they feel valued, where they feel supported. It makes sense. Now, in order to make this work for you, you're going to need to encourage a culture of mutual support. And we do this by regularly acknowledging your own need for input and assistance. Recognize and praise the team members publicly when they seek help. Reinforce that this behavior is valued and it's expected. This is going to help build a resilient team that can thrive in the face of challenges. Asking for help, it's not just a sign of humility, but it's a strategic asset that can transform the way we lead. It enhances decision making. It fosters a supportive team environment, and it sets a powerful example for others. Now, one thing we didn't cover in this video is something that I believed for years until I realized it was all a lie. And that's what we talk about in this video. So get your coffee. I'll see you there. Ciao.